This is a culture that knew that nature was the teacher and was also brilliant enough to always leave room for the mystery. And they created the biggest stone medicine materia medica in the world. And we don't have it. We have it passed down through oral traditions, but we don't have it in books. We don't have it on the internet. So the knowledge is, you're ready for more knowledge too. And that knowledge is always going to be a springboard out into your own instincts and out into your own way of doing things and back into connection with your spiritual guides and allies and into the unknown. Because when you stand in the unknown for even just a second, a miracle will arrive.